Hi everyone, my name is Harrison Hadia. Today on my YouTube channel we're going to be talking about how to divide fractions. Dividing fractions is very simple and can be used in most mathematical situations. But before we do this, please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell on the right, and stay tuned for more daily videos. Also, like and share and leave a comment if you have any other questions or want to request a video. Without further ado, let's get started. So, 1/2 divided by 3/4, right? What is this actually saying? Well, this indeed is saying that 1/2 times 4/3. Why? Because there's a rule called the acronym KCF, sort of like KFC, but backwards. So KCF stands for keep, change, flip. Write that down. Circle star highlight that. That is very important for any division that includes fractions. So, two methods actually. There's KCF and then there's the butterfly method, which I will show you after. So, 1/2 divided by 3/4, and we're going to keep, change, flip that. So we're going to keep this, okay, so that stays the same. We're going to change this from division to multiplication because that is the reciprocal of this math sign, right? This math symbol. So we're going to change that to multiplication. Change that to multiplication. And then we're going to switch 3/4 to 4/3. 3/4 to 4/3. Okay. And now it's just a matter of multiplying across from left to right. So 1 times 4 is 4. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So you're left with 4/6. Okay. And now it's just a matter of simplifying. So everybody knows how to simplify. 4/6, divide this by 2 because 2 goes into 4. Divide this by 2 because 2 goes into 6. And you're left with 2/3. And that can't be simplified any further. And that is your answer. Okay, let's move on to the next example. And for the next example, we'll be doing the butterfly method. The next example will be 4/7 divided by 6/3. Okay? So, the butterfly method is easy to remember because it's in the name, butterfly. And the butterflies have really nice, beautiful wings. And this is essentially moving from the top left to the bottom right, and the top right to the bottom left, and that's how you multiply. That's what you would multiply. So we're just gonna draw, some people like to draw the big ovals. I personally just like to draw like a little line from here to here, like a little arrow, and then from here to here, a little arrow, and that's how I do it. Now we cross multiply 4 times 3 and 7 times 6. Now remember, since we've done the butterfly method, we're gonna have, instead of writing 4 times 3 on the bottom and getting 12 on the bottom, you're gonna have to write it on the top because we're cross multiplying. So 4 times 3 is 12, okay? And then 7 times 6 is 42. And now it's just a matter of simplifying. We know that 12 and 42 share a common denominator, share a common multiple, which is 6. So it's divided by 6, divided by 6, and we get 12 divided by 6 is 2, 42 but divided by 6 is 7. 2/7 is the answer, and that's what you should have gotten using the butterfly method. I personally, when I was learning this, I preferred the keep, change, flip method because that was easier. But this, because see the arrows get in the way and everything, and brings back bad memories, I guess. Okay, so let's do the last example for today. And this one we will be using the butterfly method because I think it's just a bit more to learn, and we're gonna have to do more practice. But there will be a part 2 to this where we elaborate more on the KCF, and I will explain why you have to flip and why to change and why everything, and explain the mathematical reasons for all those. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, so last example for today is 5/4 divided by 6/5. 5/4 divided by 6/5. Okay, Okie dokie. So, using the butterfly method again, we remember that this changes. The only thing we change, we don't keep, change, flip anything. Well, we keep both of these, but we change only the multiplication sign. I mean the division sign, excuse me. So this will just be a multiplication. And now it's a matter of, so remember, from here down, you're going to have to write on the top. From here down, you're going to have to write on the bottom, okay? So 5 times 5 is 25, okay? And then 6 times 4 is 24. And unfortunately, wow, you can't simplify that. So that stays 25 24ths. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm Harutun Harian. Stay tuned for part 2 to this video as we discuss why KCF is more important and why I think it's easier than other methods. Thanks for watching and have a good day.